What's up and welcome to or back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be getting into this ashy blonde pre-styled unit. But before we talk through this install and get into all the things on the hair details, huge thank you to Varia Hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me over their 22-inch 250% 5x5 HD closure with this beautiful color. And y'all know, as we've been doing lately, we're going to talk through the entire process. Per usual, this is a glueless unit look, so we won't be doing much work to it. But anything that we do have to do, I will be talking through. So without further ado, let's get right into the install. When I first opened this box, I was a little nervous. Let's see what she's hitting for. Starting off with the unboxing. Miss Varia Hair. They said, girl, get straight to it. They sent us some literature and they sent some HD wig caps. And they sent the wig. Nothing extra. But if the wig hits, we are not mad at that. If you know me, then you know I love a good ashy blonde, especially a brown girl friendly ashy blonde. But this looks like vanilla blonde. Not even 613, straight vanilla, icy. So let's see what it's hitting for on. This is a HD 5x5 closure wig, 22 inches, 250% density. And I want to say it's a body wave. It is pre-parted on the right side. Y'all know I'm a left part girl, so not loving that fact, but it's fine. Let's see what it's hitting for. This is the closure space. The knots do look like they are bleached pretty well. Like I said, it is a right side part. As far as the cap construction, we have our two combs on the side. They do have that weird comb that sits right at the apex of the head. And then there's also a smaller comb in the back. And we have our drawstring, love that. And also our elastic band. So it is a glueless wig with a bunch of security built in, and this is adjustable as always. So let's do our foundation and see what she's giving. This lightness is making me a little nervous, not gonna hold you, but let's see. For my foundation, I'm doing, y'all know typically I'll do, ooh, I forgot I had a little twist in there. Y'all know typically I'll do 2 ponytails. Oh, and this is why my ends are chopped. Last video I was telling you I don't know why. That's why, girl. Be gentle. Yeah, I'm gonna stick to what I know. Stick to the recipe. Stick to the script and do my 2 ponytails. Y'all know I like to go in with my cap that has the little ball cap on the top, but in order to hold the hair down in the back, I like to also put this one on and just move it on back from the top. Then I'll follow up with this one as well. I love this cap. Before I started filming, I thought I couldn't find it for a second. And you talk about somebody was hurt. I'm like, I need my cap. Because when you're spoiled with a cap like this, to have to go back to a traditional ball cap, what do you mean? Oh, this is a right side part, so I need to turn it a little bit. I also love that you don't have to continuously put makeup on this because it's just good to go. Now I'm going to apply my makeup on the inside of the unit. On second thought, these knots are not as bleached as I thought. I just went back and looked at them a little closer. Like, look how light this is. I didn't even show y'all the strands. So here's how it's looking. Very high highlights and very low lights. Chocolate brown on the low lights, and it is pre-styled. The lace is not pre-cut, but we'll get into that in just a moment. All right, here goes nothing. Does it look gray? Is it giving grandma teas? What's happening? So right off the bat, the highlights are really light, but I don't know that I hate it. Let's keep going. I'm gonna go ahead and melt this lace. I was gonna cut it and then melt it, but I'm gonna spray it some and then cut it. They didn't put an edge band in here, so I'm just gonna go in with some stockings and tie that down. If I didn't already say it, there's some plucking that definitely should be happening across the hairline, but I'm gonna show y'all what it's giving straight out of the box, no extra work. Okay, let's lay this down at the top real quick. It is a straight part. It's not curved whatsoever. Me personally, I like a curve to the part. I debated doing some face framing along here, and I think I still might just do a little bit, but I don't want to disturb the curls because the curls are pretty. But this hair, like even looking at it in the viewfinder, it looks more gray than blonde. I'm also going to put a little bit of makeup in the parting space. The parting space lace feels thick. And then also the drawstring. All right, now we're just gonna go through and cut. You always wanna cut this with some zigzag to it. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the makeup across the hairline, especially on these seams. But this is what I was talking about as far as needing to be plucked. Y'all see how straight it is right here? You'll definitely have to go in and hit that with some tweezers. I did let that makeup melt on the lace for a little bit, so here's how it's looking a lot better. And I'm not plucking into this lace. I'm not plucking into it because y'all need to see what it's giving straight out of the packaging, okay? So we're gonna comb out these curls and get into the final look. It looks like light wand curls, but let's comb them out. All in there is pretty thick, but the comb out is pretty. Here's how we're looking. You do get all of your 22 inches. As far as the color job goes, it's blocky up here. Like it could have been transitioned better. It's just like dark roots, color. No brush, no back brushing to make sure that it's smooth. As far as how they did throughout, it is balayaged, so that's cute. The color is not too blocky throughout the strands. It's just the beginning of it that is. This is the look altogether. Let me know what y'all are thinking. Is it giving blonde, ashy blonde, or is it giving gray hair? Like, it reminds me of Storm, the girl from the superhero thing. But if this is your tease, if you want a pre-styled unit that comes with a very ashy blonde, almost gray vanilla balayage look with some chocolate brown lowlights, then you will absolutely love this unit. Here's how it's looking from the back. And yeah, this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in to yet another hair video. It won't be long before we're back with another. I'm getting into some more colors for the summertime in the next couple of videos. Until then, take care of yourself, and it won't be long before we're back with another hair video. I'll see y'all in it later.